So good afternoon, students. Now discuss about the lecture is that is a nuclear fusion. So nuclear fusion is nuclear reactions which are takes place at a high temperature is of the order of 10 power 7 degrees centigrade or 10 power 9 degrees centigrade are called thermonuclear reactions or nuclear fusion. So the two lighter nuclei are combined to form a heavier and stable nucleus is known as a nuclear fusion. So in this case, a huge amount of energy released because the mass of the single nucleus is less than the sum mass of the parent nuclei. So this mass difference or mass defect is converted into energy according to the Einstein relation, that is equal to mc square, or delta E is equal to delta m into c square. Delta m is a mass defect. So that is a mass difference between a single nuclei and some mass of the two deuterons. So for example, two deuterons are combined to form a alpha particle. So in this reaction, a large amount of energy is released, that is 25 mega electron volt. 25. So here the technical problem is that how the two deuterons combine to form alpha particle. So both the two deuterons have the positive nucleus, and there would be the electrostatic repulsion between the two positive nuclei. So when the nuclear fusion reactions takes place, so these two deuterons are come to close, is of the order of 10 power minus 12 meter at a very high temperature, and they overcome the electrostatic repulsion and combine to form a alpha particle. So this is the problem to overcome the situation at very high temperature, and they very come to close together is of the order of 10 power minus 12 meters. So the thermonuclear reactions are takes place at high temperatures. So they are possible in the sun and other stars also. So atom bomb, the explosion of atom bomb may be used to initiate the nuclear fission. A hydrogen bomb works on this principle. The stars are able to control the nuclear fusion because it's having high gravity. So that is the reason. So in stars, they are able to control the nuclear fusion reactions because they have self high gravity. So now we discuss about difference between nuclear fission and fusion. So in nuclear fission, so a huge amount of energy is released. In this case also, a huge amount of energy is released. So here heavy nucleus split into two fragments. So in this case also, two lighter nuclei combine to form a heavy nuclei. In this also high energy is released. So this process takes place at room temperatures. So this process takes place at very high temperature is of the order 10 power 7 to 10 power 9 degrees centigrade. So in this in the links of this process are neutrons. So here the nuclear fission process takes place. So when neutrons are bombarding the uranium nucleus, then it splits. Then its splits are possible. Here here the links of this process protons. Without protons, the process doesn't take place. Here also, without bombardment of neutrons, so the nuclear fission process doesn't take place in nuclear fission also. So here the energy per nucleon, that is a 0.85 mega electron volt. Here the energy per nucleon 6.7 mega electron volt. So in nuclear fusion, heavy amount of energy is released than fission process. So the nuclear fission process takes place uh, in nuclear reactors, or nuclear reactors works on this principle. The hydrogen bomb so works on the principle nuclear fusion. So nuclear fusion process takes place in sun and stars. Okay, thank you. Now you see the answer from starting to now see the answer from starting to ending. So viewers, please subscribe my channel and give a like. Don't forget the students, please subscribe my channel. Once again, I say please subscribe my channel.